welcome back to the video, and welcome to the yeah. It's a new title. I forgot what the title we're supposed to name it. Us learning, yeah, us learning because I'm also learning. It's not a tutorial because I was sorry, yeah, sorry. If you're watching, say hi. I don't know. You're supposed to look at the search probably because you're gonna redo everything you're gonna do. It's not a tutorial. You're also learning. You're just making fun of yourself. Yeah, sorry, there's a lot of people that actually made a good video, so I have no motivation to make my own. I have no motivation to create a better video out of them. I mean, you know, the their level is so higher than mine. My level is low. So, yeah. Okay, so this is actually one of my favorite functions since you don't have to put a lot of things. Rather than a scanner, you have to put ppdx and then next line and input the. I guess you can still put double and integer and string to this J option pane, but it's more easier. So we're using GUI as what we call it. I don't know if you guys call it GUI, but we usually call it GUI. So it's GUI. So GUI. So in order for GUI to work, we must import Java Swing J option pane. Yeah, pane. So public void is similar to the. The thing is, you don't have to put some similar to the PP, more like a variables. No, but you still need to put variables in, then you can include it. At least if you're just gonna put some word into it, more like just a dialogue, and there's a function there too. So our assignment is actually something like we're gonna make some kind of a payment function. So this is the payment we're gonna pay for the prelim. It's supposed to be 600. Oh no, this is the first term, so the second term is actually bigger than the first term, so this is actually smaller. This is just an example. So 6,922.92 since we're using doubles, it has points. So 3,743 for pre-final, 3,742.52 and 2.27. So that's our variable, and also I actually put this assessment variable. I'm gonna use that later, so I ended up putting it in advance. And here, oh no, yeah, here it is, assessment prelim, and so it's more like a total of how much all of them cost. If you're gonna put some, you're gonna pay something. So in order for the GUI or J option pane to work, it's pretty easy. You're just gonna put some. If you're gonna input using GUI, you need to put the variable equals to the J option pane show input dialog. So it's gonna show the input dialog what we're gonna input into it. So yeah, here enter username. Since we're using J option pane that show input dialog, this is the function we're using to input something. So enter username here. So yeah, that is our variable. So the variable will only take the contain that what we're gonna put there. So yeah, that's the variable of the name that we're gonna put. It depends on what kind of text we put. So J option pane message dialog. So if you're just gonna put some dialogue and text into it, you're just gonna put J option pane show message dialog rather than the input. This is where you input something, and the show dialog is gonna show. It's just gonna show. Yeah, just show an input, output. So input, and this is the output. The show dialogs. So yeah, I end up putting them all and with a end space term slash that, and then a little space too. That the outcome would be a bit like this. So I'm gonna run it. So enter username. It asks me, hey, ask me my username. So my username would be just gonna put John. Okay. So name John. The term shows the term here on the side. Term, pre-final, mid-term, pre-final, and final. And to be honest, you can actually make this even better, but since I'm too lazy, because it's my fault already, you know. But I can, yeah. Isn't that what coding has just been written? No, I know. They don't put that. Been, yeah. I'm sorry, sir. Sorry, just say this, sir. I'm just joking around. So yeah. So William, the assessments and the payments, but yeah, shows everything. So this is the message, the output, the outcome of the message we can put. It depends on the what kind of message we're gonna, the message that we're trying to put into it. So yeah. So yeah, that is the J option pane, and J option pane show message the input and the input and the output. Wait, did I actually try to adjust the setting? Last time the video is actually low, right? Oh shit, I didn't think this through right. Well, I already made the video, so it's already too late. If you guys notice, the video is pretty, that's our resourceful. Yeah, you know what it is. Blame it on me. Blame it on me. So we're gonna continue. So just also a continuation about this activity that we do. So I'm just gonna uncomment it. So double payment. I think we're just gonna uncomment all of them. See, the thing is, the nice thing about this GUI option is pretty just input and output. I mean, there's actually more into it, but this is what we started first. And let's gonna show the. So here's also the other thing. Since I'm using double, it will change instead of a show input dialog. It still have a show input dialog, but rather you're gonna put some parse into it. But double that parse double. But if we're gonna turn it to integer, we're gonna change it in integer dot integer int I mean it's, yeah, it's integer still int dot parse int. You don't have to put int that, it's similar to this double dot int dot parse int, and that would, in order for it, the function would work. Since we're using double because it has a point, and also the, you know, the midterm is that is using point. So we're gonna show the J option show input dialog. So we're gonna show the input that we're gonna put, and since we're using double, it can we can only put here a number, float, float, yeah. I mean factorial, but even if it's not a factorial, it will run out as a factorial. So the payment, enter payment, and double money equals assessment minus payment. So the money is more like the variable that I use to minus the assessment of the payment that I put. So it's here. I also yeah, it's still put this double, but I can actually put the double in the top of here. Just gonna put the money space money, but I guess I'm just being lazy. Also, I can also put the payment here too. Yeah, I'm just being lazy, that's all. So yeah, since total balance left, it will equals to, so we're just gonna play it. You guys can see what happens. So we see the enter username is John, and John name, the assessment, this is the payment that I'm having. So I'm just gonna pay. Okay, current assessment is 17,217.59. Okay, and enter payment. So how many can I pay? Since we're poor, we're just gonna put some. Yeah, it's 12,000. Yeah, 12,000. So it's just fine. Total balance left is 4,195. Okay, user John, current balance. Okay, thank you for paying. That's all, I think, at least. Oh shit, I'm sorry. It's actually phone's down here. So this is the final thing that we're making, because sir already said that we're gonna do it Eraser 7. This is, even though we're actually doing, it's actually Eraser's 8 that the activity we're doing, but the thing that I put here is 7. I think it's a bit fun, right? Yeah, actually, the thing is, the download is also included, but since I didn't make the download video, it's shorter than usual. So yeah, so I don't know if we're probably gonna add any more video or tutorials about this, but to be honest, I kind of didn't want to make a tutorial video. It's not because I don't want to. I'm a virgin. I'm dying inside. And I don't yet can speak English too. Also, even, and maybe some of you guys, my classmates, probably watching right now, probably laughing. And I'm laughing too. Yeah, it's not really nice. Not nice though. But then again, this is our class number 7. Us learning rather than you guys. Is not a tutorial, but us learning. Yeah, understand. This is it's us that we are learning. You guys are not learning into it, but us. I don't know if you guys are actually learning something, but maybe I'm the one who's actually learning something. 'Cause I'm the one who's saying it. So yeah, I guess that's all. See you. Maybe see you. Maybe. So, thanks for watching. Capish.